Power up your workshop with the most ingenious tools designed to make every task faster, easier, and more precise. From high-tech laser guides to muscle-saving electric machines, these game-changing gadgets take DIY and pro work to the next level. Whether you're drilling, cutting, painting, or bending metal, these tools redefine efficiency with smart innovations. Get ready to experience next-level performance that turns tough jobs into effortless wins. Step into the future of precision inspection with the ENDOSCOPE camera with light, your ultimate eyes in the dark. This compact yet powerful tool lets you dive into the deepest, hardest-to-reach spots with its ultra-flexible cable and high-resolution camera. Whether you're diagnosing engine issues, checking behind walls, or plumbing through pipes, the built-in LED illumination ensures crystal-clear visuals in the blackest voids. Plus, its waterproof design and real-time feed to your phone make troubleshooting a breeze. Say goodbye to blind guesses. This tool turns every inspection into a high-tech, detective-level operation. Digging post holes has never been this fast and effortless. The DC House gas-powered post hole digger is a game-changer for fencing, decking, or any outdoor project demanding serious digging power. Equipped with a high-torque 52cc gas engine, this beast slices through tough soil like a hot knife through butter, eliminating the back-breaking manual labor of old-school post diggers. The ergonomic handles give you full control, while its efficient fuel consumption ensures long hours of uninterrupted work. Whether you're a pro contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this tool turns grueling digging jobs into smooth, satisfying progress. Meet the workbench that defies limits, the KETER folding work table. Designed for portability without compromising durability, this ingenious workstation sets up in seconds, locking into a rock-solid surface ready to hold up to 1,000 pounds of gear. Built with industrial-strength resin and heavy-duty aluminum legs, it shrugs off wear and tear like a champ. Its integrated clamps keep materials secure, making sawing, drilling, or assembling a breeze. And when the job's done, fold it flat for easy storage. Whether in a workshop, garage, or job site, this is the ultimate space-saving powerhouse for serious makers. And hello to effortless lifting with the XCLIFES labor-saving handle. This revolutionary tool redefines heavy lifting, giving you a secure, ergonomic grip to lift and transport large panels, drywall, plywood, or glass with absolute ease. Designed with a rugged, non-slip suction mechanism, it provides a vice-like hold, reducing wrist fatigue and boosting efficiency. Whether you're a professional contractor or tackling a home renovation, this tool turns one-person jobs into a smooth, pain-free process. Work smarter, not harder, because heavy lifting should feel like a walk in the park. Turn your back-breaking log-splitting sessions into a smooth, effortless experience with the BILT Hard Electric Log Splitter. Packing a powerful 15-amp motor, this beast delivers a whopping 6.5 tons of splitting force, tearing through even the toughest logs like butter. No more exhausting axe swings or gas fumes, just plug it in and let the machine do the hard work. Its compact design and sturdy steel construction make it perfect for backyard firewood prep, while the built-in wheels ensure easy mobility. Whether you're stocking up for winter or fueling your next bonfire, this log splitter is a total game changer. Unleash your inner pro painter with the Sacker electric cordless paint sprayer, the ultimate tool for achieving a flawless finish without the hassle. This high-performance sprayer atomizes paint into an ultra-fine mist, delivering smooth, streak-free coverage on walls, furniture, fences, and even cars. With its cordless, battery-powered design, you get unrestricted movement and unmatched convenience, making painting projects faster and more efficient. The adjustable spray patterns and flow control let you customize every job to perfection. Say goodbye to messy brushes and rollers. This tool turns painting into a fast, fun, and frustration-free experience. Say goodbye to hand fatigue and uneven sealants with the UAOAII electric caulking gun, the ultimate upgrade for precision sealing. This powerhouse delivers smooth, consistent flow control at the push of a button, eliminating drips, gaps, and wasted material. Whether you're sealing windows, doors, bathtubs, or cracks, its adjustable speed settings ensure a perfect bead every time. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, while the rechargeable battery lets you work cord-free with maximum mobility. DIYers and pros alike will love how this tool transforms caulking from a tedious chore into a seamless, effortless task. Bending metal tubing has never been this precise and effortless. The DURATECH tube bender is engineered for perfection, giving you smooth, kink-free bends on copper, aluminum, and stainless steel pipes. Whether you're working on HVAC systems, plumbing, or automotive projects, this tool delivers sharp, clean curves without breaking a sweat. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, while the easy-to-read angle markings take the guesswork out of your bends. Say farewell to expensive machine bending. This handheld powerhouse puts total control in your hands, making every bend a masterpiece of engineering. Level up your precision with the MOTOVERA laser level tool, the must-have gadget for perfectly straight lines in seconds. Whether you're hanging shelves, tiling floors, or framing walls, this high-visibility laser projects razor-sharp, ultra-accurate lines across any surface. With self-leveling technology, it auto-adjusts to ensure pinpoint accuracy every time. No more wonky measurements or guesswork. The compact, rugged design is job site tough, and the rechargeable battery keeps you working without interruptions. From pros to weekend warriors, this tool takes the frustration out of leveling and turns every project into a pro-grade finish. Unleash the ultimate all-in-one drilling powerhouse with the DEKOPRO drill set, your go-to kit for tackling any DIY or professional project. Packed with a high-performance drill and an arsenal of bits, this set is built to handle wood, metal, plastic, and masonry with ease. The drill's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while variable speed control lets you power through tasks with precision. Whether you're assembling furniture, fixing up your home, or diving into a heavy-duty job, this kit has everything you need to drill, drive, and dominate every project like a pro. Take accuracy to the next level with the SKIL 6.2 amp benchtop drill press with laser, a powerhouse that brings precision drilling to your fingertips. Featuring a powerful motor and adjustable speed settings, this beast punches through wood, metal, and plastics with absolute control. The built-in laser guide ensures pinpoint accuracy, eliminating guesswork and reducing waste. With its rock-solid base and tilting work surface, even the trickiest angled drills become effortless. Whether you're a woodworker, metal fabricator, or hobbyist, this drill press turns your workspace into a high-precision drilling station built for perfection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the coolest tools and game-changing gear. Stay tuned for more epic reviews, and let us know which tool impressed you the most.